everyone, I'm Pavneet and today we're going to discuss one of the sample answers which has recently been asked from one of my students. The cue card exactly is describe a time when you helped someone in finding something lost. Firstly, we're going to discuss a couple of plus points which I have used in my sample answer. Let's understand the meaning of those. The first one is if my memory serves me well. This is a natural expression now, student. We can use that particular one whenever you need to talk about the past time. जब कभी भी आपको past के time की बात करनी हो, आप always use कर सकते हो if my memory serves me well. ये कहने की बजाय I vividly remember, there you can use if my memory serves me well. That is literally very better. Next one is tearing her hair out. Tearing her hair out, we can use that particular expression whenever you need to talk about a person who is totally stressed out or worried about something. जब कोई person बहुत ज़्यादा stress out हो रहा है किसी चीज़ के बारे में, there you can use tearing her hair out. Next है आपका every nook and corner. We can use that particular one whenever you wanna say everywhere. जब कभी भी आप everywhere कहना चाह रहे हो, वहाँ पर आप use करो every nook and corner. Next one is throw in the towel. We can use that particular one when you want to mention that you give up on something. There you can use it. जब आप किसी चीज़ से हार मान जाते हो, give up कर जाते हो, तब आप use कर सकते हो. Over the moon, इसका meaning होता है happy. Next है knight in shining armor. ये अपनी use करते हैं जब आपके मदद के लिए कोई, आपकी rescue के लिए कोई आ रहा है and helps you in a difficult situation. That particular time we can use the idiom that is knight in shining armor. That's it. ये आपके idioms हैं जो मैंने अपने sample answer में add up किए. Now let's read the sample answer itself. One time I had an experience when I helped someone finding something they had lost, which turned out to be quite a memorable and rewarding moment for both of us. If my memory serves me well, there was a time when I helped my younger sister, Simran, find her lost wallet. It was a few months ago and she was stressed out because the wallet had her college ID, some cash and her bank cards. She was practically tearing her hair out, not knowing where she had misplaced it. The first thing I did was to calm her down. I told her, don't worry, we will find it. Let's just take it one step at a time. We began by retracing her steps from the day before. I asked her where she had been, what she had done, and whether she had made any purchases. I felt like solving a mystery, piecing together all the clues. We started in our room, checking every nook and cranny. When we didn't find anything there, we moved on to the living room and kitchen. I even checked under the furniture, thinking that maybe it has slipped through the cracks. We spent about an hour searching, but the wallet was nowhere to be found. By the time, Simon was really starting to lose hope, and honestly, I was too. But I didn't want to throw in the towel just yet. Then something clicked. I remembered that Simran had mentioned sitting on the couch in the living room while scrolling through her phone the night before. So I suggested taking a closer look there. We lifted up the cushions and to my surprise, there it was. Her wallet was wedged between the cushions out of the sight. Simran was absolutely over the moon when we found it. She kept saying how lucky she was to have me around. And honestly, it felt great to be her knight in shining armor that day. It was a huge weight off both of our shoulders. She gave me a big hug and kept thanking me, saying that I had saved her day. In the end, not only did we find the wallet, but it also brought us closer. It reminded me that sometimes when things go missing, a little patience and support from someone can make a huge difference. It's times like these that really make me appreciate the small act of kindness and how they can turn out someone's day around. That's it. We are entirely done with the cue card. I hope you liked the video. If you like my sample answer and the plus points I have used it, Do subscribe my channel, leave a comment as well, and I'm gonna upload all the latest cue cards that you will get in your exam. Thank you, bye bye, stay tuned, and see you in the next video.